Hello dear fans. How to find quantum numbers. The quantum number characterizes the numerical value of a particular variable of an object in the microscopic world. In particular, the quantum number can determine the state of the electron. Instructions. Step 1. The principal quantum number is the quantum number of the electron. Its value indicates the energy of an electron, for example, in a hydrogen atom or in one-electron systems. In this case, the energy of an electron is calculated by the formula E equals minus 13.6 n squared eV. N here takes only natural values. Step 2. Electrons can form a so-called electronic level or an electron shell if electrons with the same value of n exist in the many electron levels. The levels in this case take on the value A, B, C, and so on, corresponding to the quantum number n equals 3, 2, 1. The quantum value, knowing at what level the electron is located, is not difficult. The maximum number of electrons at the level directly depends on the number n squared. Step 3. An energy or electronic level is a collection of an electron in a stationary state. The main quantum number shows the distance from the nucleus. Step 4. Quantum orbital number 2 can take values from 0 to n2, characterizing the shape of the orbitals. It also characterizes the subshell on which the electron is located. Quantum number 2 also has a letter designation. Quantum numbers 2 is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, correspond to the designations 2 equals S, P, D, F, G. Letter designations in the entry denoting the electronic configuration of a chemical element are also present. The quantum number is determined from them. So, on a subshell, there can be up to 2*2L plus 1 electrons. Step 5. Quantum number ml is called magnetic, and L is added from below as an index. Its data shows the atomic orbital, taking values from 1 to -1. Total, 21 plus 1 values. Step 6. The electron will be a fermion with half-integer spin, which is 1/2. Its quantum number will take two values, namely, 1/2 and -1/2. And also make up two projections of the electron onto the axis, and be considered the quantum number ms. Thanks for watching.